My dear friends and viewers, this is StepView blog YouTube channel and welcome to my channel. Now I am working at Bangladeshi village home. This is a teeny and narrow, poor people village road, rural road, and now I am walking and showing you Bangladeshi culture, village street and bamboo tree. So please watch the video till the end and through your opinion on comment section. Thank you. This is a beautiful and wonderful landscape of Bangladesh. Now I am walking at a village street of Bangladesh. Please subscribe StepView blog YouTube channel for more videos. This is a home of Bangladeshi village. This is a pond, you can see this is a pond and a big beautiful tree. I am showing you the rural life of Bangladesh. You can see StepView blog, whole Bangladeshi culture, poor Bangladeshi people and poor landscape of Bangladesh. This is banana tree, you can see, and comment section you comment please, do you know this tree and you have this tree in your country? This is lemon tree, you can see the lemon tree leaf. This is lemon tree, lime lemon, sour lemon. Lemon tree leaf. You can see this is betel nut tree leaf, and also you can see the mango tree. Mango, the king of fruit of Bangladesh. Now I am showing you the landscape of Bangladesh. Let's go. This is small green gourd tree. You can see tomato. This is tomato tree. Winter cultivation. Tomato tree. Green tomato. Let's go to see everything of Bangladesh's village culture, tree and everything. This is, what is this? Palm. Sour. This is palm. And make a chutney, achar. This is a flower garden. You can see this flower. Fragrance is very beautiful and smell so very nice. Now I am showing you the gourd tree. You can see the gourd, the tree. Gourd is wonderful shosho of Bangladesh. Small gourd. This is Bangladeshi field, and now the gourd on soil. Now I am showing you the pumpkin tree. This is pumpkin tree, and you can see this is pumpkin. Wow, wonderful pumpkin. Wow, this is pumpkin. You can see here black pumpkin. Wow. Through the comment on comment section, please. What is this name? We call it pumpkin. Now I am showing you the grass of Bangladesh. This is grass. Oh, soft grass and green grass. This is Bangladeshi field. Now I am showing you the flower again, and also show you the tree. The sky is blue, and the car through the road, you can see. Let's go the jungle. This is jungle, forest. You can see the forest. This is forest of Bangladesh. This is forest. You can see the forest. Wow, wonderful and beautiful forest of Bangladesh. Let's go to see other side of Bangladesh's village home. Sun sets west on the sky. This is forest of Bangladesh, jungle. This is gourd tree. Gourd. Wonderful gourd. Gourd leaf. This is grass. You can see the grass again. Kochi grass. Now I am walking at village home of Bangladesh's rural village home. You can see whole site of Bangladesh and observation through Bangladeshi village home. Please like, comment, share this video and throw your comment on comment section. Let's go to see the home of Bangladesh. Now I am showing you the home of Bangladesh home. Let's go to see how the home of Bangladesh, how beautiful the home of Bangladesh, what kind of home we use in Bangladesh village at small teeny village, small teeny home. Our home is very poor, so our limitation money. For this reason we cannot build big and gorgeous house. We are poor. For this reason we cannot build a beautiful and wonderful house. This is our home. You can see this is our home. You can see Bangladeshi village home. See the Bangladeshi village home. This is a small girl and this is hen. This is hen. Poor man enter the hen at their house. This is a bird, pet bird. This is a coconut tree. So my dear friends, you can see our home of Bangladesh's village and house and rural culture. Everything is very wonderful. So you can hit the like button, share this video on Facebook, Instagram and others social media, and you can subscribe StepView blog channel for more videos of Bangladeshi wonderful landscape. For more videos, this is a pond. So here I stop this video. Next video I will publish to you next Thursday. This is water, pond water. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Thank you.